Ooh. Ooh. Oh, shit. I can feel here. It's twitching near my balls. It's 50%.
No, Bruno, don't do it. Don't do it.
Pray to God, oh my God.
It's gonna make you sick.
Fuck.
You should try being in labour.
Boost. Are you tired? Yeah, look what I got here, man. This is a labor pain machine, man. It's supposed to be very powerful. TENS machine, so it's actually used for pregnancy. So my wife just had a baby. Hey, take a nice photo.
I can't. It's
Okay, baby power, baby power. Ah, baby power! It was so painful. So this actually helps. It's a pain relief during the contractions. So look what I got here, man. I got it hooked up to my tummy, man. This particular model here, this Obstetric TENS machine, is actually designed for labor pain. So it's not designed to be used in the front. This is designed to be used in your back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, pain relief. But I'm actually gonna pump it up all the way up, and there's a boost button, this one here, man. So when you crack this one, it's just, oh man, it's a monster. So I'm gonna be turning this thing on, and let's see. I'm gonna show you the specs. 180 volts, man. 180 volts up to 80 milliamps. All right, let's see if this thing actually works, man. So here I've got 2 channels. So channel number 1 is the top. Channel number 2 is actually the bottom here. If you just start slowly, this thing actually start like burning your skin because you're actually getting some electric shocks and not much contraction. So let's go all the way up to 20. Let's go. Oh my God, can you see? Hang on, I'm gonna press boost button, so what happens?
Oh my God.
My wife is recording. Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna start to go. So these can actually go up to 80 milliamps and 80 milliamps. It feels really weird. I'm used to get some electric shocks, but this feels bizarre. Okay. Can you see? Ooh. It feels like I've been punched. God, it can't be all the way to 80. No freaking way. It's moving. Oh man, I don't know if I can do the button. Alright, I'm gonna press the boost button. Pray to God, oh my God. I can't even scream. Everything just stops. Just wow. I wanted to scream, but I couldn't. All right. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, shit. I can feel here. Oh, it's twitching near my balls. Oh my fuck. It's twitching here, like near my balls. Fuck hell. It's 50%. Oh my God, I'm gonna press it.
No, Bruno, don't do it. Don't do it.
I'll do
It's
it.
gonna make you sick.
I need to go to work tomorrow. 3, 2, 1. Fuck! It's more powerful than the 270 volts that I got on an electric car. Holy shit. I can't even talk in this video. I'm getting really tired. Okay, hang on.
No, Bruno, that's high enough.
even think what I'm doing. Right, there's another 30 milliamps to go. I'm not sure if we can press the boost button anymore. No, the boost button is too much. Holy shit. Hang on. I'm gonna get the chair. Hang on. I can't stand that. It's too much. Alright. Fucking hell. And then on science, let's go. It's better sitting down.
That's as high as it goes. Oh. No. Bruno, you can't go any higher.
What's happening?
I think that's it. That's it.
I think this is the maximum 2 channel together. Fuck, that's it.
Okay, tap out.
Oh my god. Pretty intense. Hey wife, what do you think about it?
I think that you should try being in labour and then see how you feel.
Right. Oh, pain relief. I'm gonna try to press the boost button just to finish the video. Alright. So much. So much power, man. My leg here. That's it.
That was the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Alright, so here I'm gonna test my friend here so that I'm not lying, right? So I'm gonna turn channel 1, so we just put 1 here, 1 there. So it's just channel 1 going. So when you feel nice, you just press the boost button. So this is gonna be pulsing. And then when you press the button, it's gonna be... Alright, hang on. Up to 20 is a bit weird. Come look. Hang on. Do you want to go higher?
Yeah, keep going.
It's going to be harder when you press the boost button. Oh. It feels fucked.
Are you scared to push the button?
Yeah, button's weird. Fuck. Press.
Oh.
Hang on. Alright, so press the button. Alright, so now let's just go to 40.
Oh, that's pulsing now. Oh. Far out.
Can you see from the other side?
Oh.
Boost. Look at his face.
Jesus.
Are you tired?
Down, yeah. That's full on.
Turn it off.
If you like my channel, please support my work on Patreon. $1, $2, $5.